Morning, guys. You remember me talking a couple weeks ago about doing a fire truck pull coming up? Well, that day is today. Heading to the fairgrounds. We're doing it right now. It is 11:30 in the morning. I worked last night, so I got home at 7:15, and probably fell asleep sometime around 8. So just over 3 hours sleep, maybe. So I'm gonna drink on Monster, eat some quick breakfast. The wife and kid are already on their way there. They needed to make a couple stops on the way there, so I'll be meeting them. Christian and Glenn are on their way up, and then I got 2 other people for sure. I'm hoping it doesn't rain. It's looking kind of dark and gloomy out, which is good because we won't be able to be dealing with the heat when we're out there trying to pull it. But that could also heat up the blacktop and give it better traction as well. So I'm gonna try and wake up here. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Here they come! Go, Tyler, go! Go! Come on, it's moving! Let's go! Pick it up!
And probably will be
right, so just leaving the fairgrounds. I stayed over a couple hours after we were actually done pulling. There was only 5 teams, but one team went twice. And hopefully I put some pictures in there. I only recorded when our team went with me, Christian, Glenn, a guy that's on my fire, and 2 guys that are on my fire department. I got the kid in the back. She's probably gonna be sleeping here pretty soon. It's way past nap time for her, so I'm going to get something to eat now. So we ended up taking first. It was a 250-foot pull from the front of the truck to the front of the truck at the other end. And we ended up pulling it in 48 seconds. And second place got it in 52. What makes it great is we were allowed to have 5 people on a team, or we were allowed to have 6 people on a team, and she's out already. We only had 5. All the other teams had 6, and one team even had 7, but they had a couple kids on the team, or at least one, I believe. And then they had one team at the end that showed up and then got put together there that probably would have beat us, but you weren't allowed to touch the ground, and if you fell, you were done. And they had somebody on their team fall down, pulling into the drive-thru. So me, Christian, and Glenn talked for a while about how we were going to set up doing the pull, and it turned out the end of the rope that I was on had 2 loops in it, so I ended up putting each arm through it and pulling it, and then the rest of them started off pulling the rope like you were in a tug of war, and then once we got the truck moving really good, they turned around and started pulling it the direction we were going. I feel like it went pretty well. It taxed us. I mean, we didn't think it was going to be, it wasn't that hard, but we were just spent when we got done with it. I drank a bunch of water afterwards and regretted it shortly afterwards, but I had a good time. There was a lot of people there to support it. And hang on a second again. Alright, since we won, how it works was you paid $10 to be in the event, and 7 of the $10 went to cancer research, and 3 of the dollars, the remaining, went into a prize pool. I think I said that in the one other video when I first announced that I was going to be doing this. After I left Christian's house that one day. So the prize ended up being $111, and like I said, granted, if there was more teams there, I probably would have done like 50-50, and then split it up with the team. However, $111 split up between the 5 of us was only like $20 and some odd change, and I said splitting that up between all of us, we donated it all back. They were very surprised that we did that, but being somebody family has been touched by cancer, I had no issue with doing that. The rest of the guys, none of them had an issue with doing that. So I felt fine. I felt great being able to do that. Next Saturday is the Frankenmuth competition. I don't know if I'll have any videos leading up to that like I did the last competition. I'll try, but I can't guarantee. might do something Thursday or Friday, kind of like a preparation video again. You know, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not going to be doing much heavy lifting between now and then. Definitely today was pretty decent. I mean, it was only 48 seconds, and I feel like I got a heck of a workout. Everybody's like, well, you didn't really do much. You pulled a fire truck. How could you be that tired? Pulled a fire truck, you know, with full equipment on it and full of water. 47,000 pound vehicle with 5 people pulling 250 feet. But what can you do? So that's gonna be it. As always, guys, thank you for watching. I know I probably talked a lot in this video already, and not a lot of fire truck pulling because I only recorded ours. Luckily, my wife was able to come for a little bit before she had to go to work, and took some pictures. So, guys, lift big, eat big, get big.
When the sun rises, I wake up and chase my dreams. I won't regret when the sun sets, 'cause I live my life like I'm a beast.